Most people think that living a balanced life means waking up early, journaling, or meditating. But what if I told you there are 3 little-known habits that could instantly make your life more harmonious, without waking up at 5 a.m. or forcing yourself to write a gratitude list? Stay with me until the end, because the 3rd habit might completely change the way you see time. Hey, welcome to Minimize Life. Here, we talk about minimalism, simple living, and psychology, all designed to help you declutter not just your home, but your mind and habits too. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe for more content like this. Now, let's jump into these 3 unusual habits that will redefine your daily balance. Habit number 1, the sensory reset. Declutter your senses. When people think of minimalism, they often focus on physical clutter. But what about mental and sensory clutter? Right now, your brain is overloaded with notifications, background noise, artificial lighting, and endless scrolling. And that silent mental exhaustion keeps you from feeling truly peaceful. That's why the sensory reset is a game changer. Here's how to do it. 1. Visual declutter. Reduce digital distractions. Use grayscale mode on your phone or make your home visually calmer with neutral colors. 2. Noise detox. Try silence breaks during the day. No music, no podcasts, just 5 to 10 minutes of absolute silence to let your brain breathe. 3. Natural light exposure. Instead of waking up and looking at your screen, expose yourself to natural daylight first. Your circadian rhythm will thank you. These small sensory shifts instantly reduce mental overwhelm and help you regain control over your environment. Habit number 2, the anti-to-do list. What not to do. Most people wake up and create a to-do list. But did you know that creating an anti-to-do list is just as important? We often fill our days with useless, draining activities, but never stop to identify them. That's where the magic of an anti-to-do list comes in. How it works. 1. At the start of the day, write down 3 things you won't do today. Example: I won't check my phone before noon. 2. Throughout the day, stick to it. 3. At night, reflect. Did removing these distractions make my day feel calmer? By eliminating unproductive habits, you naturally create space for what truly brings you joy and peace. Habit number 3, the time anchoring technique. Ever feel like time is slipping through your fingers? That weeks fly by without feeling meaningful? That's because your brain treats every day too similarly. When days blend together, life feels like it's running on autopilot. How to break this cycle? Time anchoring. Instead of letting time pass passively, create intentional anchors in your week. These are simple but memorable activities that differentiate one day from another. Examples of time anchors: every Tuesday, walk in a new place, even just a different street. Every Thursday, cook something you've never tried before. Every Sunday, reflect on one tiny win from the past week. These small rituals break the monotony of time and make life feel richer and more meaningful. If you want a more harmonious life, don't just focus on doing more. Focus on removing what doesn't serve you. To recap: 1. Sensory reset. Declutter your senses for mental clarity. 2. Anti-to-do list. Remove distractions instead of adding more tasks. 3. Time anchoring. Create memorable markers in your routine. These habits may not be mainstream, but they work. And the best part? You don't need extra time to implement them. If you enjoyed this video, hit like. And if you want more psychology-backed minimalism tips, subscribe to Minimize Life. Remember, harmony isn't about doing more. It's about doing less, but better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.